Welcome to today's class. Today we'll be talking about value addition in fruit. We all see fruit. There are different types of fruit. There are over 100 different types of fruit. But one thing about fruit that supports value addition is the fact that fruit spoil very fast. Half of the post-harvest spoilage we record all over the world comes from fruit after vegetables. The big question is, why are they spoiled? They are spoiled because people are not adding value to them. How can you add value to them? First off, you can decide to turn them into juice. Fruit juice are very popular, and no fruit cannot be turned into juice. The next thing you need to know is that you can also turn them to flakes. Turning them to flakes is for you to now take them as snacks. So how do you turn them to flakes? Chop them in pieces and then put in your dehydrator and allow to dry. It's very good to actually get a dehydrator to dry them, so you make sure you don't use the nutrient of the fruit in the process. Package them in either mixed fruit or single fruit and sell as snacks. People would always prefer to take fruit flakes over a normal snacks, which are usually junks these days, because of the hype and increased advocacy in healthy eating. Another thing you could do with fruits is turning them to flour. If you dry them and you don't want to sell them as flakes, you can actually turn them to flour. Now the flour part of them can be used as flavors for confectionaries. You can actually keep them and use them to make juice at your own preferred time. The next question you should be asking yourself now is, how can I convert this fruit to juice? You need a juicing machine. Juicing machines are usually less than $50. So getting a juicing machine should not be your problem. We noticed during our seed class that most of the seeds we talked about are actually fruit seed. That is another way you can add value to your fruit, by actually making sure that the seeds of this fruit are not allowed to waste. Example, mango. You can also make sure that these fruits you can also do the fact of chopping this fruit and selling them frozen. That's another way of adding value to them. You can chop them and sell them frozen. You can also sell them as fruit salads. So the question now is, which fruit is popular in your area and why is it wasting? Which fruit will waste the most within your community and how can you add value to them? I'll be waiting in the comment section to know the fruits you have dominant in your area, and we will talk about how we can add value to them. The subsequent class will be talking to you about the nutritional benefit of some fruits all over the world, and giving you, as usual, I'm going to also give you an example of products that are value added inclined within the fruit space. I will be waiting in the comment section to hear your view on the fruits you have available within your area, and we look forward to seeing you in the next class where we're going to be talking about nutritional value of various fruits and the market. Thank you.